Hey guys, Dave with MRT back at the channel, and today we're going to be announcing the MRT GO.A.T series exhausts. So we're all familiar with the GO.A.T modes on the Bronco, but at MRT we had to take it up a notch. Introducing the greatest over axle turndown. If you're looking to maximize the ground clearance of your Bronco, the first step is to get rid of this bulky stock exhaust. The King of the Hill GO.A.T series is packed with a maximized clearance turndown for a more aggressive exhaust note, where the Trail Rated series adds an additional muffler in the midsection to just smooth out that exhaust note, getting a more OEM plus step above stock sporty sound. As always, MRT exhaust systems are handcrafted out of premium quality T304 stainless steel and CNC mandrel bent for the best quality performance. All right, let's get it inside. Today we're going to be installing the Trail Rated GO.A.T series on our Outer Banks Bronco. First, you want to find the tangent and the exhaust before the rear axle. Measure 2.5 inches away from the tangent point. From that point, measure 10.5 inches towards the front of the vehicle to mark the next cut point. Using a sawzall or another cutting tool, cut at those marked points. After you've made the cuts, it's recommended to deburr the inlets and outlets of these tubes. Place the provided clamps onto the muffler and install the Trail Rated muffler. Now you're ready to tighten down the clamps. Moving to the over axle section of the vehicle, start by removing the stock muffler hangers from the rubber isolators, then loosen the stock over axle clamp to remove the stock muffler. Install the over axle turndown and insert the hanger into the rubber isolator. Tighten the stock clamp while holding the new over axle turndown in place. Once we're installed, it is recommended to go for a 20-minute drive just to get everything good and hot. Once everything is cooled, just double check that your clamps are good and tight, and after that, you're good to go.